And are you Melanie Flores? Counsel, I'm showing you the discovery acknowledgement. Have you received all the discovery and did you review it with your client?
Yes, we did, Your Honor.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Ms. Flores, I'm showing you what's entitled True Bill of Indictment. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
We do, Your Honor.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
We are, Your Honor.
Ms. Flores, I'm going to show you what's entitled Court Admonishments and Defendants Waivers and Affidavit of Admonitions. Did you review that document with your attorney? Did you understand it and did you sign it at all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand you're charged with tampering with the government record, defacing or harmful? That is a second-degree felony. The range of punishment is anywhere from 2 to 20 years in prison and up to a $10,000 fine. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
If you have a plea bargain agreement with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea bargain agreement. If for any reason the court does not follow your agreement and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call in the right to remain silent?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand by entering this plea bargain agreement, you were giving up those rights?
Yes, ma'am.
And did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea bargain agreement in this case?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses to this offense?
Not this time, Your Honor.
Do you believe she has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against her?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you believe she's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
Yes, Your Honor.
Ms. Flores, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter this plea?
No, ma'am.
Has anyone promised you anything other than the plea bargain agreement?
No, ma'am.
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you a U.S. citizen?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived her right to jury trial. Showing you the plea bargain page. Did you review that with your attorney? Did
Yes.
you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
According to the plea bargain agreement, punishment is to be assessed at 2 years in the prison. There are no applications. This will run concurrent with, is that 2019? Has she already been sentenced in that case?
She has, Your Honor.
All right, this will run concurrent with 2019 CR 6398, County Court Cause number 609260. The state will take in consideration 2022 CR 10637, County Court Cause number 691339, Grand Jury number 783068. Did you understand that to be the plea?
Yes, ma'am.
Defense?
That's all, that's the agreement, Your Honor.
State?
Yes, Your Honor.
Next, I'm showing you the paragraph entitled Waiver of Appeal paragraph. Did you review that paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in both places?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand by signing that you're waiving your right to appeal? The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, have there been any such motions?
No, Your Honor.
Then to the offenses charged in the indictment, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contact.
State any evidence?
Your Honor, state offer states to the one in all attachments.
Your Honor, defense has no objection.
Ms. Flores, I'm showing you what's entitled Waiver and Consent to Stipulation of Testimony and Stipulations. Did you review that document with your attorney? Did you understand it and did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am.
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call, and the right to remain silent?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports? But most importantly, there will be no live testimony. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find that the defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments and review the same. All right, after reviewing states exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty, and the court will find you guilty. Are we proceeding with sentencing?
Yes, Your Honor.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
No, Your Honor, just we like to follow the plea agreement as made.
All right, the court will sentence you to 2 years in prison, give you credit for any time served. This is to run concurrent with 2019 CR 6398, County Court Cause number 609260. Take in consideration Grand Jury number 783068, 2022 CR 10637, County Court Cause number 691339. Is there anything else from either side with regards to sentencing?
No, Your Honor.
No, Your Honor.
Showing you what's entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendants' Rights to Appeal. Did you review that document with your attorney? Did you understand it? And did you sign it?
Yes, ma'am.
Because this is a plea bargain agreement, Because I followed your plea bargain agreement and because you waived your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what a weapon or ammunition is, you need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, we can go off the record. Ms. Flores, you're gonna have to make a decision in your life, whether you want to keep on this path, in and out of prison or not. And you need to start by asking yourself, as you're serving your 2 years, was this worth it?
Yes, ma'am.
And usually the answer is no. Because people want to be out in the free world, right?
Yes,
We're gonna have to start making better decisions.
Yeah.
All right, good luck to you.
ma'am.
Who's here on Leroy Settles? All right, what is happening with this case?
Your Honor, we are working with the DA's office on trying to identify the bottom line is we're trying to still resolve restitution. We're more likely than not going to enter a plea. Restitution is the big issue. And so we're working with the DA's office. They're trying to get confirmation of restitution from the victim.
All right, who's the prosecutor you're working with?
Ms. Sparks.
Hi, on this restitution, where are we on this?
There's a difference in opinion based off of the information I'm getting from defense counsel and our victim. So I have our amount from our victim, but
And at this point, Judge, my intention was, and I was actually texting this to Ms. Sparks when you called us up, is that I was going to file a motion for the recovery, targeting specifically the evaluation process and how this gentleman came up with the evaluation, insurance documents for the stuff that he has been reimbursed for. And then that way we can get a much better determination of where some of this value, because my belief is that he is exaggerating what he claims to be the value of this property.
All right, Ms. Ferguson. On Starling Rodriguez, can I have a 45-day reset for plea deadline date? After that, we'll not consider any plea bargaining agreements.
December 15th.
So we'll be back on December 15th.
And I'll file my motion for discovery then this afternoon. Thank you.
there is a notice in me. I don't know if you want to.
Okay, thanks. And who's on the document? I will find that out.
His name is John Ray Pettis, Judge, but we don't know his call. Okay, thank you. Maybe she. Yes.
All right, Juan Avalos.
Hi, Judge.
Morning. So we here for sentencing?
Yes, ma'am. I think to help remind the court, you propose an alternative means of serving the sentence by doing it on full house arrest.
Yes.
And Mr. Padron would like to do that.
All right, state. Sorry. Oh, no problem. All right, the court is calling 2024 CR 1908, State of Texas versus Miriam Patron Martinez. Can I have parties announced for the record for the state,
Andrew Harrison.
for the defense?
Carl Alexander from Mr. Padron.
And are you Miss Patron Martinez?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, we were here and the defendant entered a plea to the less included offense of obstruction of a highway as a class B misdemeanor. The defendant entered a plea of guilty. The court found the defendant guilty. And according to the plea bargain agreement, punishment was to be assessed at 60 days in the Bexar County Jail with 1 year driver's license suspension. Both parties agreed that she could consider doing full house arrest as opposed to going to the Bexar County Jail. The reason being is that there are issues at the Bexar County Jail, health issues, and also because there was no one to take care of personal things she needed taken care of at home. Is that correct?
Yes, ma'am.
And neither party had an objection to that. And I believe you had to confer with your client concerning that.
Yes, ma'am. We had to make sure she had the finances in order because of what the cost is associated with the monitor, as well as make sure that she understood the parameters of that. She was okay with it. She's elected to go along with that.
All right. Sir,
Carl Alexander.
All right. Then, as previously stated, on June 3rd, the court is finding you guilty of the Class B misdemeanor of obstruction of a highway in lieu of 60 days in the Bear County Jail. The court will sentence you without objection to 60 days full house arrest. And there's to be a 1-year driver's license suspension. You are aware that with full house arrest GPS, what that means is that you're not allowed to leave your home for any errands or anything of that nature. You understand?
yes, ma'am.
And you do understand with a 60 days house arrest on GPS, that's probably a longer sentence than you would have had to serve at the Bear County Jail.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. So that'll be full house arrest on GPS. Did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendants' Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, sir.
Because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waived your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. And counsel, if you remain in court, we're going to have to see with the Bear County Jail the placement of the GPS.
Yes.
And she may need to actually physically go to the Bear County Jail. And when I say physically go there, on Kamal Street, and they will fit you there with GPS. So just remain in the courtroom and we'll see what's the best way to accomplish that goal.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Is there anything else from either side?
Here we are.
All right. Thank you. Just remain in the courtroom. Thank you. You may be excused. Right. It's not needed. She'll be released today. Yes, no, she's not going to the Bear County Jail.
She's gonna go, we're gonna take her.
No, she's gonna go herself. Yes.
I'll show him that.
You gonna take her?
The ride's gonna take.
But what we're gonna do is counsel, you're gonna call over to the Bear County Jail now.
Oh, okay.
Deputy Laura, they may have the number, and we're gonna see specifically when she needs to report to have the GPS placed on. If that is not done, a warrant's gonna be issued for you, and you're gonna be serving your time at the Bear County Jail. Do you understand?
Yes.
All right, so just have a seat on the front row on this side, and we'll see about that. And counsel, you have another